In this video I will explain a comprehensive overview of resell rights and private label rights products, explaining how they work, their types, benefits, and potential income. Make money with Resell Rights PLR Products, Rebrand and Selling Private Label Rights. Hello, I am Angelica Simpson. PLR Products journey of earning passive income by purchasing resell rights products and selling them online, highlighting the advantages resell rights. This video outlines the three main types of rights: giveaway rights, regular resale rights, and master resale rights, and explains the importance of understanding the rules that govern each product's usage, pricing, and reselling. Use of effective promotion strategies such as SEO-driven content marketing, forum participation, mailing list building, paid traffic, YouTube tutorials, and affiliate marketing are detailed to maximize sales. This tutorial also let you know about common challenges like product saturation, duplicate content issues, and low-quality products, urging sellers to sell products carefully. Finally, two powerful tips are shared. Creating membership sites with PLR products for recurring revenue and enhancing PLR products by adding unique content, videos, and affiliate links to increase value and differentiate from competitors. The main highlights of this tutorial is where to buy best PLR products. Find PLR products at top10plr.com. Products enable earning passive income by selling the same product multiple times with minimal ongoing effort. There are three main types of resell rights: giveaway rights, regular resale rights, and master resale rights. SEO and targeted keyword content creation are highly effective ways to generate free organic traffic for PLR product sales. Master resale rights allow sellers to also sell the resale rights, creating an additional income stream and expanding business opportunities. Beware of product intensity and duplicate content problems that reduce profitability and SEO effectiveness. Enhancing PLR products by adding videos, audio, and affiliate links helps create unique offerings that stand out in the market. Buy free PLR products at buyfave.com, and building a PLR membership site can generate substantial monthly recurring revenue, sometimes reaching maybe more than $50,000 to $70,000 per month. The key insights of this tutorial is: different rights types define usage and revenue opportunities. Understanding giveaway rights, regular resale rights, and master resale rights is essential. Giveaway rights are primarily for lead generation and list building. Regular resale rights allow product sales for profit, and master resale rights extend this by permitting the resale of resale rights, multiplying revenue avenues. This tiered right structure allows sellers to tailor their business models, from simple single product sales to complex membership sites offering multiple PLR assets. Passive income potential through resell rights. The core appeal of PLR products lies in their ability to generate money repeatedly after a one-time purchase. The narrator's early experience of earning, from sales pages to payment processing, enables income generation without ongoing labor. This highlights the fundamental advantage of digital products and rights-based selling models for entrepreneurs seeking scalable online income streams. SEO as a cost-effective traffic strategy. By targeting low-competition, niche-specific keywords, sellers can write focused articles that attract organic search traffic. The example of credit score improvement articles demonstrate how identifying specific customer pain points in search queries can drive consistent, targeted visitors. This approach reduces reliance on paid ads, which can be expensive, and builds long-term sustainable traffic. Rules and restrictions are crucial to avoid legal and operational issues. Each PLR product comes with a set of licensing rules that govern how it can be sold, bundled, priced, rebranded, or given away. Ignoring these can lead to violations, loss of sales rights, or even legal troubles. For example, some products may forbid combining them with others in membership sites or restrict pricing freedom. Properly reviewing and adhering to these guidelines protects the seller's business and ensures compliance. Market saturation and quality control are major challenges. Since anyone can purchase popular PLR products, markets can quickly become saturated with the same offerings, driving down profitability and causing SEO penalties due to duplicate content. Furthermore, the quality of PLR products varies widely. Low quality or outdated content can damage a seller's reputation. Therefore, sellers must vet products carefully and use unique content strategies to differentiate themselves. Adding value transforms PLR into unique, high-value products. Taking PLR content as a starting point and enhancing it by creating videos, audio, expert interviews, or additional tools like calculators increases perceived value and creates a unique product offering. This helps avoid direct competition with other sellers using the same PLR material and allows for premium pricing. Additionally, incorporating affiliate links within the enhanced product introduces new passive income streams. Membership sites offer scalable recurring revenue. One of the most lucrative business models involves packaging multiple PLR products into a membership site and charging a monthly fee for access. This model leverages master resale rights to allow members to resell products themselves, creating a network effect. The video references successful entrepreneurs earning $50,000 to $70,000 monthly this way, demonstrating the high earning potential if executed correctly with the right traffic and product mix. Conclusion of this video is, the video serves as an insightful guide for anyone interested in leveraging resell rights and PLR products to build an online business. It balances enthusiasm for the income potential with practical advice on navigating the pitfalls. Success depends on understanding the types of rights, adhering to licensing rules, promoting products effectively via SEO and other channels, carefully selecting quality products, and creatively adding value to stand out. For ambitious entrepreneurs, especially those looking for scalable, automated income, PLR products represent a viable and flexible opportunity when approached strategically. Thanks for watching on Top 10 PLR. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow digital entrepreneurs. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips, tutorials, and money-making strategies with PLR products and digital courses. If you have any question, please ask me in comments below. I will respond to you as soon as possible. I will see you in my next video. Bye now.